Hi. Here's a short introduction to the readings for Tuesday, October 31st, Halloween. We've got 3 readings for today, or for Tuesday, that are kind of interesting and I think enlightening in a lot of interesting ways. The first 2 are on the same topic, and they come from the Environmental Defense Fund's working paper called A New Social Settlement for People and the Planet, Understanding the Links Between Social Justice and Environmental Sustainability. So there's a short blog post that I want you to read just to get a quick overview, and then there's the full working paper that you can peruse through. And I want you to be able to answer the following questions when you come to class on Tuesday. How do the folks from in the working paper define social justice? And then how do you define social justice? Why do they argue that there is a link between social justice on the one hand and sustainability on the other? What's the evidence that they bring to bear on this argument? Do you find this evidence credible? Let's assume they're right for a moment. What are the implications for what they call the new social settlement of this link between social justice and sustainability? And then finally, how do you think we can overcome the barriers of achieving a new social settlement that is sustainable? Certainly there's going to be some hurdles in the way. How do you think we can overcome some of them? And then there's a short reading about, it's called A History of Environmental Justice in 5 Minutes. One of the things that you notice in that reading is that in a 2007 survey of environmentalists, they found that 90% of environmentalists are non-Hispanic white folks. That brings up a question of whether the movement can stay vital and appropriately connected to real-world issues when in the face of really significant demographic changes in the United States. And the fact that white folks suffer from environmental justice a whole lot less than other folks. So what do you think about that? So those are the things we'll talk about on Tuesday, the working paper and the short history of environmental justice. We'll look forward to seeing you then. Bye.